Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful Happy New Year 2026 slide presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Now go to design tab, go to format background and let me select a color from here, black text 1. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to insert tab, go to shape and take a text box and drag it over here like this. Now let me write here happy and select the text from here. Go to format and go to text fill. Let me select a text fill from here. Now let me go to home tab, go to font size, increase the font size from here and go to font and change the font into Magneto. Now this is perfect and adjust from here like this and place it in center. Now this is perfect and amazing. Increase a little bit size from here and adjust like this and place it here. Go to shape format, go to text effect, go to reflection. Let me select these reflection from here, trash reflection at point opposite. Now this is perfect. Select again the slide, let me make it duplicate and select the text box from here. Let me write here new. Now this is perfect and select the text from here. Let me go to text fill and let me change the color from here into yellow color. Let me make it again duplicate and select the text from here. Let me write here year. Now this is perfect. Select the text from here, go to shape format, go to text fill. Let me select this color from here. Now select again slide, make it duplicate. Select the text box. Now let me write here 2026 and select the text again. Go to shape format. Let me go to text fill and change into white color. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me add some transition from here. Let me go to transition and let me select our text from here. Now this is perfect and let me make it apply to all and duration set will be 4 seconds. Select this one, let me make it from top. Now this is perfect and select this one, let me select from right and select this one, let me make it from bottom. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to watch the slideshow. This is just amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more videos and presentation. Thank you.